Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light and today I am unboxing with you this EltaMD serum for the face. I am a big fan of theirs for the sunscreen and super excited what this serum actually will do for me, because you see that I have a little bit of acne going on. I don't want to over irritate or do anything extremely drying, but I still want to retain the moisture. And it comes with a proprietary complex technology and helps minimize the risk of irritation. Exactly what I need. And it's enriched with antioxidants to help defend against free radical damage. That's exactly what I need. It is fragrance-free, dye-free, and paraben-free. So you can see the bottle is like this. So I'm just going to put some on my hand. I believe this is enough, and let's see how it feels. It definitely doesn't have any fragrance, and let's see how it spreads. And yes guys, did you know that it is important to actually tap on your face with serums and creams, not to drug alone? So I feel it's definitely makes such a big difference. Okay, so I feel like it's definitely absorbs very nicely, and I feel like I'm going to love it because I do not like overwhelming creams and serums. So it is already completely absorbed, and I feel like I'm going to be comfortable using my makeup. But probably at first I'm also going to be using EltaMD Skin Recovery Moisturizer as well. Absolutely excited.